How to share a PDF file on Facebook Messenger from WPS Office. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can share a PDF file on Facebook Messenger from WPS Office. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up WPS Office in your device. So once you have opened it up, find out the document or the PDF that you want to share and then open it up. Once you open it up, navigate to the top right corner and tap on the share icon. Under the share, you have to share this file or this document as a file. So scroll down a bit and then tap on share as a file. Then here you have various options. From there, you have to select Messenger. Once you select Messenger, here you can select any one of the contacts that you want to share the document to and then tap on send. And with that, the PDF will be sent to that contact. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.